Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kankana Sal Forum, and today I am here with you to talk about pregnancy. What care you have to take during your pregnancy time and what are the specific points that you have to remember in your pregnancy time. So let's start the video. So first point is rest and sleep. You can continue your usual activities during your pregnancy time or throughout your pregnancy. However, excessive and strenuous work should be avoided during your first trimester and the last 4 weeks of your pregnancy. And if you are comfortable, then you can go for your prenatal exercises. There is individual variations of amount of sleep required. However, on an average, you should be in bed about 10 hours. 8 hours at night and 2 hours at afternoon time, and especially in the last 6 weeks. In late pregnancy, lateral posture is more comfortable. Lateral posture means the side lying position is more comfortable. Now we are coming to the second point, that is bowel. During your pregnancy time, constipation is common and it may also cause your backache or abdominal discomfort. Regular bowel movement may be facilitated by regulation of diet, taking plenty of fluids, vegetables, milk and stool softener at bedtime. And about the stool softener, you have to remember that if your doctor is prescribing you, then only you have to take the stool softener during your bedtime. There may be rectal bleeding, painful hemorrhoids due to hard stool. So whenever you see any complications, then you can consult your doctor. Now we are coming to the third point, that is bathing. So you have to take your daily bath, but be careful against sleeping in the bathroom due to your imbalances. So you need to be very careful about that. Now the fourth point that you have to remember is clothing, shoes and belt. You should wear loose but comfortable garments. During your pregnancy time, your center of balance alters, so you need to avoid high heels in your advanced pregnancies, and your constricting belt should be avoided. Now we are coming to the fifth point, that is travel. Travel by vehicle having jerks should be avoided, especially in the first trimester or in the last 6 weeks of pregnancy. The long journey is preferably to be limited to the second trimester. Rail route is preferable to bus route, and travel in pressurized aircraft is safe up to 36 weeks of pregnancy. And air travel is contraindicated if you have some complications in your pregnancy like placenta previa, preeclampsia, sickle cell disease or severe anemia. And prolonged sitting in a car or aeroplane should be avoided due to the risk of venous disease and thromboembolism. And when you put your seat belt, it should be under your abdomen. Now we are coming to the sixth point, that is smoking and alcohol. As we all know that smoking is injurious to our health. So you should stop smoking during your pregnancy time, not only on your pregnancy time but thereafter. And here is the fact that heavy smokers have smaller babies and there is also a chance of abortion. Similarly, alcohol consumption is also drastically should be avoided so that we can prevent fetal maldevelopment or growth restriction. Now we are coming to the next point, that is coitus. Generally, coitus is not restricted during pregnancy, but release of prostaglandin and oxytocin with coitus may cause uterine contraction. So, the women with high risk of miscarriage should avoid coitus if they feel such increased uterine activity. Now I am coming to the last point, that is immunization. In the developing countries, immunization in pregnancy is a routine for tetanus, and others are given when there is epidemic occurs or traveling to an endemic zones. So these are some points that you can follow during your pregnancy time, and if you have any questions related to this, let me know in the comment section below. And if you really like my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. And till then, thank you so much.